So this video, I just thought I'd do this final video because I'm about to hop on a plane and leave this beautiful, beautiful place. So I thought we'd do this right down at the riverside. Moment of silence.
Not too close to the bank, eh?
Brendan's telling me not to go too close to the bank because I might get eaten by a crocodile, and then this video will turn into something completely different. No doubt go viral. Anyway, let's talk about what this video is going to deliver, which is the lion medicine. Now I came here because every time I come here to Mana Pools, I kind of always see wild lion, always. It's to a point where it's like, oh, there's another wild lion. So that's why I was so absolutely sure that I was going to see them. But the funny thing is, they have been roaring all around us. So across the river there is Zambia. So we're in Zimbabwe. So that's actually another country. And they're over there on the land and you can hear them every night. And they were actually roaring about 5 minutes before I started this video, but very faintly, you won't hear them. Now, there's also an island down that way, which I was actually walking on yesterday trying to look for them. And, you know, we heard them roaring, but again, they're very elusive right now. And yeah, so we actually haven't physically seen them. So we took a drive all the way out into the deeper Mana, and we spoke to some of the guides there. And I have to share this medicine with you because the message that Shumba, that Sekhmet has delivered us is very positive. So as we know, nature is our biggest teachers. You know, the hippo is all about fertility. She is about the womb. The crocodiles, even though they're a bit scary, are all about the underworld, because when a crocodile takes you, this is a bit gruesome. If it takes you or takes an animal, takes you on, does a death roll, spirals, takes you into the underworld. So his medicine is very ancient and primal. So, you know, but he does bring a message of the underworld. So of course, every single animal, bird, monkey, whatever, has such powerful messages here. So the message of lion, we spoke to the guy and he said there's a pride of lions, which are the ones that we always see, and the lionesses have got their cubs, and there's one male lion that looks after that pride. 4 male lions have come into the hood, as it were, and they've given him a good snot squirt, and they've had like a real fight. And what's happened is, because some of you may know, may not know, but what happens is when a male lion comes in and takes over a pride, they will kill the babies. That's what they do. They kill the offspring because it's not theirs, and then they breed and make them their own. And there's something very, very strong and powerful about that, because it's about, I was talking to my husband about it, and I was like, shame, I know this is going to happen, but, and he said, but it's the cycle of life, because what's happening is, obviously, if that male is being taken out, the masculine of the pride is being taken out, he's not strong enough to look after the females, which means his gene pool, his cubs, are not of strong, what's the word? Well, genes. They're not strong genes. So of course, on an ongoing basis, if those animals grow up and it's a knock-on effect, what will happen is the lion pride will get weaker and weaker. So there is an absolute purpose to all of this. So what will happen is there will be a male that, out of those 4 lions that are attacking that pride, they'll take out that male lion, and one will wear the crown, sovereignty, and claim his lionesses, and reunite the pride through a lot more of an upgrade, let's say. So that's happening. So now, of course, the women have gone into hiding with their cubs, the lionesses, and so we're not seeing them. They're keeping very, very quiet because they know what's going to happen. So now these males are going at each other, and there's a massive divine masculine fight, you know, to the death, actually. So what does that tell us? Lion, sovereignty, the pride, the structure is changing, but there's no problem with the females here. It's the men that are taking their stance to be a stronger provider and protector to the pride. One's going to take that spot, and as a result, the whole sacred architecture of that lion pride is going to change. And, you know, sadly, the babies will be killed. It's very rare that they are kept alive, and they will breed once again, and there will be a new pride to, you know, and a new dynamic and a new sacred structure between divine masculine and divine feminine, and then their creations, their cubs. There'll be a new, stronger version of that to come out of that. So that's why they're all in hiding. So I thought, wow, that medicine is more powerful than actually seeing the lions. So that is the message of Simba, of Shumba, of Sekhmet, of the lion, that we are going through this massive shift, and there is nothing for you to do. Lay low Allow the shift of transformation, because this is what we're talking about, right? Lion transformation. Allow it to transform and just trust the process. So that's the message of Lion. So I just wanted to leave that with you. My ride's here, my plane is calling, and I just wanted to squeeze out this last video. I don't want to go, this is so nice here. But as I said in my videos, maybe in the future, just planting a seed. Maybe we do retreats out here. Who wants to come and like walk on the land with me and come and visit this gorgeous place? Let's see what the future holds. Let's see what transformation comes. So Lion energy, transformation, structural reshuffling, but for the greater good. Peace. With so much love from Africa, my heart, Mama Africa, to you. See you on the next video. Peace.